Hey Sam here. I wanted to jump in before I go on to my video for SpinnerBros and just say a couple of things. First of all, I think there's a big opportunity here for helping local businesses. If you're dealing with clients, you're managing their websites, SEO is a great way of offering a service, and you'll see that many consultants actually offer SEO as one of their main services. It's a great way to sustain and manage a monthly recurring income while you help them with their SEO, businesses with their SEO. So I've included local Kickstarters today to help you with that, and also a couple of other local marketing bonuses. Now, local Kickstarter is going into a much larger package of mine that I'm creating at the moment. That package is actually due for release in February next year. You'll hear more details about it in February. It'll be a monthly training course. But if you want to get access to that, you can actually test out this strategy that I've got in local Kickstarter. It's about 40 to 50 pages, and you'll be able to get access to that down today when you get access to this first. So before you watch this video, I encourage you to go down below, check out those bonuses, and here's the video with a quick demonstration of how SpinnerBros works. So back here, welcome to this video. Now I'm excited today to show you SpinnerBros in action. It's a new software that's coming out today. It's probably about to come out. I found out about this, I started using the software, and I like what I see so far. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about how to use this software in your business, where it might be useful, and show you what is available on the front end. And then down below this video, in a few minutes time, I'm actually going to be updating what's in the OTO1 upgrade, because the OTO1 itself, it looks really good, and I wanted to emphasize the importance of having a look at that if you do decide to get access to SpinnerBros. So this is the software. It's for WordPress, and what it does, it allows you to basically create unique content based on other people's content. So all you need to do is basically go to your posts in WordPress, grab any article that you want to from your niche. So if you've got a niche specific blog that's focused on clothing, for example, you'd grab a clothing article that would rank for the keywords that you're looking to rank for. Or you could grab, as you can see here, we've got a bunch of random articles that have basically been added into this system. Okay, this is an article that's been grabbed from somewhere around the web. It's got a URL to it, so you can just copy, then paste the article into your WordPress blog right here. Now what the software is going to do is it's then going to allow you to choose how you want to actually spin this content. So you can ask here, what kind of spin style do you want? Do you want your articles to have more uniqueness? Do you want them to be readable? Do you want them to be not so readable? In this case, if it's an important blog for us, we want to make sure that they're readable. We can choose also whether we want to only spin the body or the title as well, and then we can actually use this software to spin using the SpinnerBros software. It's going to go ahead and spin the content. It's going to take a little bit of time to do it, and once it's done that, it's going to update it into our post. So let's wait for that to complete. Cool, it's completed. So what we can do is we can delete this if we wanted to, and we can actually go through and read and see how this has been changed. So we can go through, we can look at how the content is now, and this is going to be useful if you are looking to build up an authority website, you're looking to rank in Google for certain keywords. You'd want to make sure the content is added in and then spun for the keywords in your niche. It's then gone ahead, it's spun it, and then you click update, and it's going to update this article to your WordPress website. Now I'd recommend also changing the images. I'd also recommend changing some of the links, the URLs, and making this a little bit more unique depending on what your use is for. We used to use spinning for articles back when I was working on a number of authority websites for offline marketers, for offline businesses. I had a number of clients where we were looking to rank in Google. We were able to spin a lot of our content into unique content after creating the articles ourselves, and that allowed us to basically get a lot more exposure for our websites. We were able to rank many more authority websites, and this was in a very competitive niche as well. We're up against people such as Microsoft and other businesses, and we were able to then, for that business, increase the ranking significantly, and it really helped the business. So this is one of the strategies that we implemented. We always went through though and checked. So say for example these, you want to go through and check. You also want to make sure your articles are correct. These types of news articles I wouldn't tend to use. I would use more niche focused articles. The reason that I use more niche focused articles based on keywords, and it depends on what kind of website you're trying to build, but I would usually do that so there's not so many URLs, there's not so many quotes or any quotes at all, because quotes will be spun as well, and there'll be incorrect quotes then. So you need to make sure that ideally you don't have any quotes in there, and just make sure that your content is related to your blog as well. Now, the OTO1 is the article engine. Now, this is really cool because what it'll give you the ability to do is basically choose how much you want the content spun, right? What kind of, how much content you want spun. And that's going to be really useful because you'll be able to then read the article as it's changing. It's currently not added to this WordPress site. That's what I'm going to be doing in just a moment. And you've also got Spinner settings here. You've got automated SEO, which is another upgrade. And then you've got an activity log, which shows you how things have been going, what's been posted, and what your activity with SpinnerBros software has been. Cool, so that's what the software is. It's a really easy software to demonstrate today. It does what it says it does. It spins content, and you'll be able to get access to this for $37. The price will be increasing by $10 to $47 within the first day, at the end of the first day, so make sure if you're getting access to this, get access early. Cool, thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll see you later.